Shred.Eat.Sleep, baby.
Hey! I'm trying to like call through it, right? For the most part. With the goggles, because of the colouring of it, I can't see the crevices as well, you know what I'm saying? Please have your camera out for the next run. Make sure.
Lock in.
Check the sit. Let's shred.
Yo, we can't see nothing. We can't see nothing, y'all.
Lift going up.
We can't see a thing.
Nothing though.
What can you see apart from rock? Peaks. Turn. Oh, this is peak. This is peak. This is peak. Huh?
What you saying?
Huh?
How you finding lax?
I can't lie to you. Second run in, I'm in love.
Yeah, man.
That run that we just done now.
It was crazy still.
Oh my god.
Did you like that? Yeah, that was beautiful still.
I loved it.
Fresh power, fresh power.
You couldn't see at one point.
Yeah, I can see.